What up guys, Adventurously checking in. And today we're going to do over the 50-30-20 budgeting principle, guys. It's a great principle no matter where you are financially, whether you're middle class, upper class, or upper class. You can apply this method to get you right, so you can spend more money in a responsible way, whether save more money in a responsible way, as well as invest more money in a responsible way, guys. Stay tuned, we're going to break it down for you.
All right, guys, let's break this all down. First, we need to look at our needs, our wants, our savings, and investments. So first, let's think about what our needs actually are. We need a roof over our head, so our home, our apartment, whatever that may be. Second, you need to pay your utilities, you need food to eat, you need your lights on and things of that nature. Those are all of your needs. Now let's talk about your wants. Some of your wants may include hobbies, travel, leisure, whatever it may be that entertains you. Those are more of your wants. Now let's go into your savings and investments. Your savings and investments could be continuing education. It could be putting money towards your 401k or a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, whatever it may be. It could be a savings account or emergency fund. These are your needs, your wants, savings, and investments.
So let's break it down, guys. Let's say on average you're making $3,000 a month after taxes. That's about $36,000 a year. That's not a lot of money, but it's not a little bit of a lot of money either, guys. You're still living in the U.S., first world country, you have opportunity. So that means towards your needs, you're going to be putting $1,500 every month towards your needs. Going towards your wants, you're going to be putting $900 every month towards your wants. So you still have a little room there to have some fun, play around. And then towards your savings and investment, you're going to put $600 every month towards your savings and investment. Nice, easy, and simple. Okay, guys? Alright guys, this next number right here, the grandiose number, $10,000 a month. This is the number everybody wants to make, puts you right at 6 figures, $120,000 a year. So you're going to have $5,000 to put towards your needs, and you're going to have $3,000 to put towards your wants. You do a lot more of that, you're going to have $2,000 to put towards your investment and your savings account. So guys, you see now, full breakdown. We have the 3K category. You don't have much room for error with your living. You're most likely going to have to stay with a friend, stay with your family still, and you're still going to not have enough room to do anything extravagant with your wants, but you are still making sacrifices and putting towards your investments that you can invest back in you to potentially get you in that 5K to 10K range.
Moving away from that 3K range, we go to the 5K range. You have the ability to do a little more than you would do at 3K. You have a little more money for your wants and things like that, and then you're adding a little bit extra money towards your future, your savings, your retirements and investments, and now you have more money towards your needs, where maybe you need to upgrade your car because you're making a little bit more money now. Maybe you go on that extra trip or you splurge on something, maybe a nice dinner or something like that. But now that you're at that 5K range, you have a little bit more to play with.
Now, warning, just because you're at 10K and you're making 6 figures does not mean you're a millionaire. This is the trap everyone's fall for. Yes, you can get you a nice spot. Yes, you can have a nice ride. Yes, you can party a little bit more, but don't go crazy. Because remember, 80% of Americans in the U.S. live paycheck to paycheck. That includes high earners, guys. So don't get reckless just because you're making 10K a month. With all that being said, guys, let us know if this makes sense to you. 50-30-20 budgeting principle. Let us know if you like it. Let us know if you're going to try it. Give it a try for a month, for 3 months. See how you like it. See how much money you save up in that account. Let's get it. Live adventurously. The world is yours.